Hey guys, we are back again with another leak video for the Galaxy S21 series. With that being said, we may see an upgrade in the camera sensors of the Galaxy S21 Ultra wide cameras, and also there is another leak for the Samsung new A tags that are going to be launching with the Galaxy S21 series. So guys, since from the last week a bombardment of the leaks has been surfaced for the Galaxy S21 series, ranging from the launch date, specs, official teaser, and even the hands-on videos for the device has been leaked. Also, we saw a comparison video also appears online. So guys, a new leak coming from My Smart Price and Twitter leaker Ishal Agarwal confirms is that some regions like France and Brazil possibly may require for companies to include charger inside the box, and if that happens then Samsung will include type C to type C cable alongside with the charger inside the box. It is rumored, just like Apple, Samsung is planning to removing the charger from the box of the Galaxy S21 series, and with that they will give some environment friendly like explanation. But honestly, I think that it is not going to be a good strategy, because most of the Samsung fans will be upset if Samsung didn't put that inside the box, because they have earlier mocked the Apple for removing the charger from the box, and this is going to be disappointment for many of the Samsung loyal fans. So today leaks also report that Samsung is reporting a new 30-watt charger alongside with Galaxy S21 series, and report mention its price is going to be lower than the 25-watt charger. Still, we are not sure what would be the price for this new charger, as no leak has been pointed regarding the price of that charger. Still, there are some rumors that Galaxy S21 is going to be cheaper this year than the Galaxy S20 models. Whether this is going to be materialized or it is just an rumor right now, but as far as we can expect that the price lowering is going to be on the cards, because the Samsung Galaxy S20 series and the Note 20 series did not perform very well because of the price hike. In fact, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which was a launch later than the Note 20 series, has performed much better than the flagship level devices in 2020. So obviously I think that the price down is going to be on the cards right now. Moving on towards the camera department, the Galaxy S21 Ultra wide camera could bring features we always wanted. The South Korean smartphone giant has also upgraded the ultra wide camera sensor to Sony IMX563. The ultra wide camera can now feature a 123-degree field of view compared to Galaxy S20's 120-degree field of view. This new sensor has a size of 1 by 2.55 inches and 1.4 mm and dual pixel autofocus. It should now be able to offer sharper ultra-wide images and videos. Hopefully, with an ISP improvement in the Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 888 processor, Samsung should be able to offer 4K 60fps HDR plus videos through the ultra-wide camera and smooth switching between the all rear-facing camera sensor on S21 series. According to the leak, this new ultra-wide camera sensor can also be supported by the macro shoot. Well, another leak that is coming from Arnold Quadrant, who is also a popular leakster on Twitter, gives us a detail that the next generation of S Pen is going to be coming in the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which has a model number of EJPG998. It will be available as a part of bundle with some covers and as a standalone SKU. The color option that is going to be available for the S Pen is only now in a black only color. If that leak is true, it gives us a detail the S Pen is not going to be bundled alongside with the Galaxy S21 series. Rather than that, if you want to use the device, you have to buy the pen and the cover separately. So the new leak that has been surfaced online for the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tags has been surfaced, and according to the leakster, the Bluetooth based tracker schematics were revealed through the South Korean Certification Authority database. It shows that Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag features a rounded shape and layered holes. It also has a button that can press to find connected phones, while the onboard loud buzzer helps the user to find the tracker using a compatible smartphone. Since it features a Bluetooth 5.1, which brings the directionally to equation that it is easier to find. The Galaxy Smart Tags is powered by a replaceable 3-watt coin cell, but we don't know its battery life figure yet. The price of the Galaxy Tags is going to be 15 euros, and it will likely be compatible with the South Korean firm's new SmartThing features. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I'm pretty much excited about the Galaxy Tags and the new ultra-wide camera sensor, and along with the 30-watt of fast charging. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the new features that are going to be introducing alongside with the Galaxy S21 series in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.